Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You should start by confirming cables and power. Make sure both screens show distinct numbers. On Windows, open Display Settings. On macOS, open System Settings, then Displays. Once done, set each monitor to its recommended resolution and orientation so scaling behaves predictably. Next, identify which number corresponds to your second monitor. You'll use that number in the next step. This prevents layout shifts and ensures icons and taskbars move to the intended screen without unexpected. Now assign the second monitor as primary. On Windows, select the monitor tile, then check Make this my main display. Apply if required. On Mac OS, go to Arrangement and drag the white menu bar to the target screen, Release to commit. Make sure to adjust scaling and text size so UI elements remain readable, and choose Extend or Mirror mode depending on workflow. Once applied, confirm taskbar, dock, or menu moved correctly, and reopen apps if they stayed on the old screen so they reposition properly. Finish by organizing icons and resizing windows on your new primary display so your workflow feels natural. If something goes wrong, first reseat cables and restart the machine. Many issues clear with a reboot. Make sure GPU drivers are current and check the graphics control panel for overrides or display profiles that force primary assignments. If the system still refuses to switch, unplug the original primary, assign the second, then reconnect. This forces detection. Finally, test audio/output defaults if you use monitor speakers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.